So guys, now we are asking Kenyans what they think about Rwanda. And I'm here with Vivian Wanjiku
Yes.
from Kenya.
Yes.
So Vivian, what do you think about Rwanda?
Rwanda is a country with very beautiful ladies. And I think it's also the cleanest in Africa, right?
Yes.
And the healthcare system is nice.
Yes.
The primary healthcare. I hear the vaccines that the HPV is given. It's compulsory.
Yes.
Yeah, and I think I love that because we don't have that in Kenya.
And we also do have a universal health coverage. So every citizen has to have health insurance, even the poor people.
That is nice.
So we have what we call mutuelle de santé, so where every person has to contribute for universal health coverage. So those rich people, we pay a high amount of money. Poor people, we not pay. And those middle income earners, we also pay like the minimum amount of money possible. So just it's a mutual way of supporting each other. So now, what else do you know about Kigali?
I don't really think it's about Kigali, but I know it's a small country compared to Kenya. Yeah. But I don't know, I've not been there.
Yeah, not been there.
Yeah.
So now,
I'd like to come there.
when are you planning to visit Kigali?
We'll see, probably next month.
Next month?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
So I'll be there. We'll take a run Kigali.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a program, the public health summer school.
Oh.
Yeah.
So be there.
Yeah.
How many Kenyans will come?
I'm not sure how many delegates are coming, but yeah.
So who invited you?
It's the MedSat or
Oh.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
I'll be there. You just hit me up when you're in Kigali. I'll take you around.
Alright. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. That was Vivian, and say hi to my audience.
Hi.
I'm here with another Kenyan lady. What's her name?
Muthoni.
Muthoni.
Yes.
So you're from Kenya.
Yes, I am.
What do you think about Rwanda?
I think first, like in Kenya, lots of people say I look Rwandan. That's funny. But then I think it's like very beautiful women. Very, very beautiful women. Very beautiful men. Yes, I think that's what I would say about. That's what I know about it.
Only that?
Yeah, majorly that. Like everyone says, the most beautiful people come from Rwanda.
The most beautiful people come from Rwanda.
Yes.
Have you ever been there?
I haven't been to Rwanda.
So
Maybe
what are you expecting maybe after getting there?
To have fun. I want to see your nightlife. The food. I don't know what you guys eat.
It's actually the same as Kenyan food.
Oh yeah?
Maybe the way they prepare it's a little bit different, but it's actually the same.
It's the same.
Yeah, the same.
Yeah, and then like history and museums and things like that. I would enjoy things like that.
Yeah. So have you ever met some Rwandans?
Yes, one of my friends. Her name is Noela Kanigwa.
Noela Kanigwa.
Yes.
Studying in Nairobi.
Yes.
Okay.
So she's fantastic. I love her.
Can just be working as with others.
Yeah.
So when are you planning to visit Kigali?
When my semester ends, we had said we're coming to Rwanda and Burundi.
In Burundi?
Yes, we're supposed to do both of them.
When is your semester going to end?
End of September.
End of September.
Yeah.
So guys, hit me up. I will take you around Kigali.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
I'll look for you.
So you come as students?
I'm sorry?
You will come as a group of students, or you just?
No, I think this one will be me and my friends.
Me and your friends. So please come and visit Kigali. And Kigali is so beautiful.
Kigali, I hear and it's
Yes.
clean, and I hear it's also
It's
clean.
very, very clean.
I like that. It must be nice.
Very, very clean. It's very nice actually, because I've been with many foreigners in Kigali, and they were actually telling me that they was not expecting to be that clean. Yeah.
You guys would be disappointed by Nairobi so bad.
And now Nairobi is also a good city.
But
Yes,
it's
a
not
good
clean.
city.
You guys have a speed there.
You have to make it a little bit clean and become a great city.
We're trying.
You're trying.
We're trying.
So what are you doing in Nairobi?
I only go to school.
Only go to school?
Yeah, I go to school and I work a bit.
Oh. So what do you study?
I'm in medical school. I'm in 4th year. And I'm also doing accounting.
You are doing 2 majors at the same time?
Yes.
How do you manage that?
Right now I'm on break from accounting. So when I close, I'll do I'll continue with accounting.
Continue with accounting.
Yeah.
What will you maybe continue in your higher degrees?
I'll definitely do my master's in medicine.
Okay.
But I also want to do my MBA health. So once I finish.
Oh, so you're a genius.
No.
Genius lady.
I just like overworking.
Yeah. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
So that's Mutoni from Nairobi.
Yes.
Tell us something to my Rwandan audience.
Come to Nairobi. We're waiting for you. We'll take you out.
Okay. We had it from. So thank you for being here.
No problem. Thank you.
So again, coming to you with another beautiful Kenyan lady. What's your name?
Beatrice. Beatrice.
Beatrice. Beatrice.
Yeah.
From Nairobi.
Nairobi.
So I have this question for you. Have you ever heard about Rwanda?
Yeah.
Tell me, what do you know about Rwanda?
I hear it's a clean place. Really clean.
You guys only know Rwanda to be like clean country, nothing else.
Yeah.
Tell me something more.
Yeah. Clean country, beautiful women.
Beautiful women. What about men?
Yet to see.
But you've seen some Rwandan men.
Yeah. Yeah, they look good.
They look good.
Yeah.
Can you rate them over 10?
Out of 10. 8.
8.
Yeah.
But why not 10?
No one's a 10. No one's a 10.
Okay, no one's a 10.
Yeah.
Okay, now how can you compare maybe Rwandan men with Kenyan men?
Random men, I don't know. They're reserved.
We are reserved.
Yeah.
Not all of us.
Really?
Not all of us. But the truth is, Rwandans, we still, like, we don't like getting out of our comfort zone.
Yeah.
That's true. I won't deny that. But yes, but it doesn't mean that's how every Rwandan is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you plan to visit Kigali?
Yeah.
When?
When I get money.
When you get no, like it doesn't cost much to visit Kigali. It's actually like only 50 when you take a road trip. It take you $50, I guess.
Oh, dollars.
Yeah, to get there.
Okay.
It's not that much, and you can or maybe ask some of Rwandese ladies to host you if you don't have money for the hotel.
That you want to be able to enjoy the place. So you need money to do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are we?
But soon.
Soon.
Definitely.
So what do you do, Nairobi?
I'm a student, fifth year.
Fifth year.
Yeah.
Medical student.
Yes.
Oh, so you're becoming a doctor.
Yeah.
So how do you feel just going to become a doctor at that young age? How do you feel?
It's exciting.
Exciting.
Yeah.
Very exciting.
Yeah.
So that's your name once again?
Beatrice.
Beatrice.
Yeah.
Just tell something to my Rwandan audience watching us right now.
Come to Nairobi.
Okay, you guys should go and visit Nairobi.
Yeah.
Yeah, ciao.
Bye.
Price.
Another beautiful lady from Nairobi, Kenya, right? What's your name?
My name is Sandra.
Sandla
Sandra Mukila.
Mukela. From Nairobi.
Yeah.
Okay, have you ever heard about anything about Rwanda?
Yeah, I do.
So what do you know about Rwanda?
What I know about Rwanda?
Yeah.
Well, it's in East Africa, definitely. A landlocked one. It's a beautiful country, the most cleanest. Yeah, beautiful ladies. Yeah. I could say so.
When are you planning to visit Kigali?
If I really get a chance anytime soon, I'll come.
You will come.
Yeah.
So what maybe are you expecting to find Kigali? How are you expecting to find Kigali?
What I expect. From what I know, expect like if it's the cleanest, expect to see the cleanness. Yeah, meet beautiful people and get to know more about their culture. Yeah.
The culture.
Yeah, because I really don't know anything about their culture.
What do you think maybe we Rwandans should learn from Kenyans?
What is it there to learn? I really don't know because I've never had a chance to really interact with Rwandese and know how they are. So I cannot just say what they should learn from us because I really don't know them that much.
You don't know us that much, so you better pay us a visit. So that was Sandra from Nairobi. So tell my Rwandan audience who are watching us right now, anything you want, just give them a shot.
Like anything. Like anything.
Yeah.
What can I tell them? Whatever dreams they have, they should go for them. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for being on my channel.
Welcome. You're welcome.
We back here from Kampala with another Kenyan lady.
Yeah.
What's up?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Mary Mudhoni. I'm from Kenya.
Mary Mudhoni. So
Yes.
you've got the same name as your fellow Kenyan.
Yeah, we
Mudhoni.
tend to have similar names. Yeah.
Similar names.
Yeah.
So I want to ask you this question,
Uh-huh.
the same question that went to other Kenyans. What do you know about Kigali, or what do you know about Rwanda?
Oh, Rwanda. Oh, something I've heard. Most people say it's very clean. So that's something I would like to see. What else? The tourism is great here. Yeah.
Okay.
Apart from that, I'm new to the country.
You're new to the country.
Yeah.
You've never been there before,
No, I've never been there before.
but you're planning to visit.
Yeah, that's a plan.
That's a plan.
Yeah, that's the plan.
So now, as you're planning to visit, what are you expecting?
Let's see. I would expect to get it actually clean.
Clean.
The reception should be like, I expect people to be very friendly and social, and yeah.
What you've interacted with some Rwandans? What can you say about Rwandans? Because you've interacted with them.
They're so soft-spoken and polite. Oh, that's nice.
That's nice.
Yeah.
So that's a lady from Nairobi. So tell us something to my Rwandan audience.
Hi.
Okay.
I hope you have a nice time.
Okay, thank you. Ciao.